Hi, welcome again to my channel. Our recipe for today is braised lamb shank. To start, either sear the lamb shanks in a pan or cook it in an air fryer for about 15 minutes. And then let's add some cooking oil in a pot and then saute the garlic and the onions. And then I always add salt when sauteing the onions to soften it quickly. When the onion is translucent, we add the chopped tomatoes and keep frying. Now add the thyme and the black pepper, followed by the carrots and the celery, which I failed to film, and sorry for that. Now we add the lamb shanks, which we air fried earlier. Pour in the red wine. And add enough water to cover the ingredients, and I usually use hot water to maintain the temperature. Put on the lid and simmer this for about 45 minutes to 1 hour or until the lamb shanks are tender. Let's check. The lamb shanks are tender enough, so let's season with salt to taste. Give it a stir, and this is now our braised lamb shank ready for serving. Again, thank you guys for watching. God bless you all.